What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to see devices connected to your Google account. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In today's digital age, it's common for users to access their Google account from multiple devices. Whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer, ensuring the security of your account is paramount. Google provides a feature that allows users to view and manage the devices connected to their Google account. To begin, navigate to google.com/devices. This page will display computers, phones, and other devices you recently signed into your Google account. This is a crucial step to ensure that no unauthorized devices have access to your account. To review the devices connected to your account, select Security on the left navigation panel. In the Your Devices panel, click on Manage All Devices. Here, you'll see a list of devices where you are currently signed in to your Google account or have been in the last few weeks. For a more detailed view, you can select a specific device or session. Devices or sessions that you've signed out of will be indicated with a signed out label. If you notice multiple sessions from the same device type, they might all be from a single device or multiple devices. Review the details of each session, and if you're uncertain whether all the sessions are from your devices, it's recommended to sign out of them. If you notice any unfamiliar devices or suspect unauthorized activity on your account, it's recommended to secure your account immediately. Look out for signs like unfamiliar devices, locations you weren't in at the listed time, or usage at an unfamiliar date and time. If any of these signs are present, follow the steps provided by Google to secure your account. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.